Hello, Namaste. Once again, you are welcome to the video series on relationship management. Today, we discuss about conflicts in relationship. Relationships make human life colorful and meaningful, and conflicts are part of relationship. It's hardly possible to avoid conflicts in relationship for different reasons. See, for example, relationship is just like traffic. You have control on only 50% of it. The remaining 50% is controlled by somebody else. So you need to expect a conflict at any point of time. Relationship basically is between individuals with different interests, tastes, priorities, ideas and views. So a clash in any of these factors can cause a conflict. Every relationship carries expectations as well. Too much of expectation or denial of genuine expectations can create conflict. Alarmingly increasing selfishness today also triggers conflict. Above all, it's a fact that human mind is a fertile land for negative thoughts. That's why the famous saying, even world war starts in human minds. A critical introspection will reveal that our mindset shows more enthusiasm to promote conflict than to avoid it. We need to deliberately reverse the thought process to make it relationship friendly. If we fail to do that, unknowingly we will be promoting conflict. Conflict per se is neither positive nor negative. The way in which we manage it decides whether it is positive or negative. Positively managed conflict will strengthen relationship. It helps overcoming monotonous circumstances in life and makes it active and enjoyable. Constructively managed conflict can develop trust in relationship. You resolve conflicts coming your way successfully and you will grow professionally and personally. Mismanaged conflicts but will strain relationships. It will trigger strong negative emotions and thoughts. You will be tempted to argue with sharp words and stiff body language. And the argument will shift the focus from the reason of the conflict to the individual involved. You will start digging the past for stronger points to defeat the other party. During the process, the emotional connectivity involved in the relationship will be damaged. If the conflict is left unchecked, it can strain or spoil your relationship within the family, at your workplace, or in the society. The skill to manage and resolve conflicts in a relationship has got unprecedented importance in today's context because relationships, even within the family, are gradually getting loose knit because of different reasons these days. How can we manage conflict positively or try to resolve it amicably if it occurs? We can try to do many things to keep conflict under control and to prevent it from damaging our relationships. First of all, try to notice the signs and signals of an impending conflict, which is possible from the circumstances. Control your emotions and behavior so that you are not provoking the other. This will help you to read and understand others' views and feelings in a better way. Your patient listening will help the other party reduce the stress and solution will not be difficult there. Never try to bring anything from the past into the present conflict and try discouraging the other party doing that. Avoid delay in addressing a conflict as delay will make it decaying and complicated. Convince yourself that to forget and to forgive is not your weakness but your real strength. It's not your defeat, that's the real success in your life. Mind you, every relationship is making you stronger internally. Relationship Foundation is at your service to help you enhance your relationship management and resolution skills. Please feel free to contact us over phone or on our email. Thank you very much until we meet next time.